What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Drew, and tonight, again, I am here with the coolest new funnel building software, site building software. There's a autoresponder, email, opt-in, internet. It's basically ClickFunnels, but the coolest thing is it doesn't have a pay-in fee. It's not a 14-day trial. Guess what? You can actually get most of the features on this platform for free. And yes, it's a huge deal. This is the coolest software because it lets average Pee-wee affiliates like me, Drew, with Drew's Rules or whatever you want to call me, the Pee-wee affiliate, you name it. It lets me come in and build a funnel. It lets me host a site. It lets me do these things for free. Before I've made, a big mark in affiliate marketing, I can actually come and build a funnel and host it and all that stuff and get my first sales going before I start paying for it. This is the site for the Pee-wee marketer. Promise you, this is the site. So if you haven't already, go down below in the description and check out the link because it's down there and it's completely free. There is nothing asked. All right, don't give anyone your credit card. Please don't give anyone your credit card. Try it out. If you like it, you can always upgrade. If you don't, you just pitch it to the curb. I always do that with all the software that I've run through. But I am actually promoting this because it's super cool, and I built a couple funnels, and I've actually got a couple sales on a couple funnels that I've dinked around with this. Anyway, hit that subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell, bing, and also hit the like button. And if you have anything else you want to, ask me, go down and comment down below. But with that said, let's go into this. So I already went into create a new site, all right? So we're going to do a complete site. We're going to do a big complete site. So let's see. Let's search all categories. We're going to go to... Let's do a booking and scheduling site. It's going to give me site and start building. We're going to say that, start building that. Cool. So I'm in this right now. We're building a site. So I can go to blocks. Watch me there. Pull up blocks. We'll go to all blocks, right? I'm going to pull out my first page because I kind of want an opt-in page. So you've seen this before. It's cool. It's really cool. So we can change anything we want. So I'm doing my email opt-in page on the first level. So we just, Drew's email opt-in, we'll just say. And this is cool because I can link it to my ConvertKit account that I have with my email autoresponder, and link down below with that one too. But yeah, I can link that with this. You can link any autoresponder, even if you don't have a paid membership. You can just anything goes with this. I mean, you can literally clone sites. It's cool. I saw a hack on it. I don't really want to get too deep into it because it has to do with coding, and I can't really show you what's going on with that. But this is a cool software. It's one of the more revolutionary softwares that's come out as far as funnel hacking and all that stuff. This is the true funnel hack because you can literally funnel hack other people's stuff. I don't want to get into it because there's copyright stuff and all that, but it's cool. All right, so here's that, and we can link this. I forget how we do it. Let's see. Hit that right button. No, we want to frame from source. No, obviously we don't go to source. All right, so we want to. Let's see. We want to. So I think what I do is I want to. Anyway, you know what I mean. I'm going to save. All right, we're saving that. And then we can go to elements. So why don't we just put a new element in here, a one column deal, put it over there. We're going to put, watch this. Then we have elements over there. Now we can put, let's see, pop-ups in. We can create a new pop-up. Pull this one over here. And you can just build these great, look at it. We got the email pop-ups right here. So I can put my email in, and then all of a sudden I can hit down here, subscribe to newsletter, and then it goes off to my ConvertKit account or my Aweber account. Links are down below, and we're off the races. And then I can also link this over to my offer or whatever I have. You know, if I have a ClickBank offer, if I have another offer, I can just have it directly linked to my new offer. But honestly, like, this is so cool, and it's not just the pages. And I wanted to get into the pages tonight because the pages is like what's cool about the free account. There's other things that are linked to the free account that's so cool. You know, GrooveSell. You're automatically an affiliate with GrooveFunnels when you sign up for a free account. Automatically affiliate. They want you to push the account. However, if you're on the second tier, if you're a paid member, then you actually get 20% more affiliate commission, and you also get the 2-tier system. So you actually can bring other affiliates on and have them be part of your. You get commissions under them. I guess if I'm remembering that right. Anyway, I'm just really excited about this software, and I'm really excited about you guys hitting that link down below and getting involved in this, because look at. I don't get anything unless you buy something way down the line, and then I might get a commission. But the software's cool, and I believe in it that much that I believe that if you like it as much as I like it, you're going to buy down the line, and hopefully you'll buy it through me. So anyway, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Comment, and don't forget, if you're gonna even subscribe, there's no 14-day trial, there's no credit card neither. You get a lot of features for free, and you might as well try this, okay? And I'll see you tomorrow with some more info. Thank you guys, have a great night, and stay up and get this software. Deal? Word. Uh-oh, I'm still on camera. What do I do? Get this software, yeah!